I'm going to show you why I clapped right there in the follow-up lesson. Today though, in this video, I want you to take action. This is a practice lesson of syncing up audio and video. A lot of times with modern cameras, you're shooting with a DSLR camera like what I'm doing right now, and it has a Rode VideoMic Pro microphone attached to it, but the audio from that mic isn't that great. You can hear now it's not as great as the boom mic, the Rode NTG3, which I'm recording with right now as well. So in this lesson, download the audio and the video clips. They're downloadable files attached in the resources. Go into Premiere Pro and sync up that footage yourself. I'm going to follow this up with a review lesson next, showing you how I did it, but I want you to practice first. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, send me a message or post a question on the Q&A tab on the course, and we'll see you in that next lesson. Good luck.